welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make DIY stickers. You're going to need shipping labels, scissors, paper of your choice, pencil or a pen, tape, markers, or color pencils. I'm going to be drawing a flower. You can either draw it on paper or you can draw it directly on the shipping label. I chose to draw it on paper just in case if I make any mistakes, it's easier to erase. You can either erase it lightly and trace over it with a marker or leave it as it is. Once you're done, you want to get out your colored pencils or markers and color it in. Or you can just leave it in black and white. For the center, I use numbers 45 and 35. For the petals, I use numbers 84 and 83. want to cut it out. You can choose to leave a white border around it or not. I chose not to leave a border around mine. Once you're done cutting it out, place your drawing on top of your shipping label and tape it down. This is what it should look like when you are all done. Now you want to cut it out, making sure to leave a border around it. You can save the extra piece and make different ones later. This is how mine turned out. When you want to place it somewhere, all you have to do is peel off the back and stick it on. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below.